So for today's example, we conducted a one-on-one workshop where we modeled a part of a meditation series by TWIM for meditation. For those of you that haven't heard of this practice, it is a well-known um, meditation, and our client wanted to figure out how to um, create a meditation with prompts, with a timer that would guide the individual through the meditation. So this is what we ended up creating. We did use Lovable for this session, and we went through and created a login. Then we based the meditation prompting on your experience level with meditation. So we are going to indicate that we are a novice, new to meditation, so that we can have a higher level of prompting. We're going to suggest frequent but gentle prompts, and then we're going to begin the journey. So here we are going to select a 10-minute journey, and we're going to say our focus is on breathing. You could also choose stress, but we're going to choose breathing, and then we're going to begin the session. So I won't guide us through the entire session, but I'd at least like you to get a good idea of what we were able to achieve with this Lovable app. So you get 12 guided prompts for your meditation, and then it's a 10-minute session. So it goes through step by step, and I'm going to begin this practice. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it on the recording, but we did integrate with speech to text, which was a external integration so that we would be able to um, have voice while we were going through the meditation.
Welcome. As we begin, find a comfortable and stable posture, allowing your body to be relaxed yet alert. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze and bring a soft, gentle smile to your face, releasing any tension you might be holding. Now, bring to mind a spiritual friend, someone whose very thought brings a natural smile to your face. This is someone you feel unconditional warmth and affection for, someone who is easy to love.
We were able in this application to provide a progress bar, a timestamp.
Allow that feeling of warmth and fondness to arise naturally. Notice where you feel this warmth in your body, perhaps in your chest or around your heart. Gently rest your attention there, savoring this pleasant sensation.
We do have a pause, and we also have a visualization, which the user can focus in on as they are going through this meditation exercise. I won't stay till the end, but there's not a way to fast forward at this time. There's a way to turn off the sound, and there is a way to pause it. You can pick back up if you needed to pause your session. And at the very end, there is a journal, which you can record how you felt before you started the meditation and then how you felt at the end. Which I'm not able to show you that at this moment. But once we get through all 12 prompts for your meditation, you're able to record the session at the end. Thanks so much for taking a peek at this quick demo and just some of the capabilities that we were able to integrate with Lovable with the text to speech and the visualization, the real-time timer, and then the progress bar as it takes you through the full 12-step session. Thanks so much. Bye.